Snoring causes sleep deprivation, psychological damage, marital challenges, and an increased potential for heart attack and stroke. Dentists are one of the primary practitioners treating snoring. Although the topic is getting more attention in the lay press, many people do not know that there is professional help for snoring. When treating snoring, dentists also work with sleep technicians, dental laboratories, and board-certified sleep physicians as a team. That's important. This presentation shows the causes of snoring and provides information to help you overcome this challenge.